this is neat. This is a neat little watcher.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. Okay, so we're walking here. Where are we walking, Cindy?
We're going to go down to the river
Oh, okay.
and see what's down this long road.
Wow.
Down the road from the caravan park.
I'm not
We did
chicken.
half explore it with the little golf cart.
Yeah, the electric car.
But now we're going walking. Exercise.
That's
When
what
you're
we're
older,
doing.
you do exercise with your stick.
Yes, we got sticks.
Freaky.
Ow, ow, ow. We kind of had all this. Miles and miles. Yeah, it was quite a way. Because when we came in the electric car, we saw this mud and we thought, okay, we'll turn around here. Over there. Wow, we missed it, eh? Ah. Where did you see it here? Oh, I don't know if we're going to go down here with the buck. I could have walked down here, eh? Maybe it goes to the river and we can have a... Okay, here's a drop down again. We've got a couple of steps that have been made. Just looking for the... Go down to the riverbed bank. Very crafty. No, but I don't think this goes down there. Turns back up again. Okay, next chance. That was interesting. Walking down this little path. Went into a ravine there.
Is it hard?
Yeah. What a heavy ravine.
Wow. That's where the buck went down.
Yeah.
You must jump down there.
So it's a lot of stairs and everything here, steps. But it's cool. Nice to climb up and down. Are we there?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, what you found here?
It's like a forest in India. Look at all these beautiful...
Wow, look at these things.
I don't know, they're like a strelitzia. A big
It's
strelitzia.
a big strelitzia top with the
Giant.
birds on. Remember those birds?
Yeah, and look at the valley. This is where water comes
Yeah.
down. Beautiful.
Ah, so you're resting now. Okay.
We're on a long walk through the forest.
Okay. Nice. So out of the forest we come and Cindy says,
And we're back home.
beautiful.
got Graham putting a new DIY little section for
the walkie-talkies to charge.
Yes, so he's done this
Little charge station.
Yeah, little charge station. Okay. DIY. DIY Graham.
Yeah.
Hello DIY.
Hey, my name's DIY, eh?
Yeah.
I was once called a DIY man.
Yeah, all the birds outside. Millions. It's our new spot. That's our view out there. Nice, eh? That's what I'm tidy because Graham's working. We can see part of the sea out there.
It's going to the other side,
Yeah.
into this,
Okay.
to try and tighten that up so it doesn't fall off.
Okay.
There's a whole lot of screws holding it on. This is basically the last one, just holding that hinge on.
So yesterday, we just heard from the ladies, I don't know, it wasn't yesterday, maybe 2 days ago. There was a great white shark sighting. Huh? Two surfers had to hit, one distracted and one hit with his surfboard, and they got out in time. So there was a 48-hour ban on
Still on.
the beach. Yeah. We've got guinea fowl here, different birds, beautiful birds.
So this is the little thing that I made. It's called, well, I call it a charge station. It's a little thing where I have the little charge units for the walkie-talkies in there, and I sit them in there, and that's how they stay on. So now they're on charge, in position, out of the way, can walk past you easily without any trouble. It's wide enough. So yeah, I've got a wire in there because there's a light, there's a plug on it as well. So this is just a light so I can show you what's happening. We were standing at the edge of the stairway down, and it was a really rough day. Waves major bad. Look at the waves over there. Wow.
We can't even walk on the beach today.
We kind of felt brave because we were sitting at the bottom, on the bottom step, with the waves coming in, coming up to the step. It's about 5 meters from the steps we're standing on. Yeah, almost, eh? So we look up and we see a ship on the horizon. A bit far to read, but the white on it had letters and we couldn't read it. On the step we stood up and looked to the left, and we saw that the beach just carries on forever, and it looks so inviting. Okay, so we're at the end of the video, and as you can see, we're looking and yearning as we're looking up the coast there to the wild coast, the way we're going.
Yes.
And I think it's going to be so much fun. So Cindy, up to you, my doll.
So we've had a great time here. We're leaving in a few days' time, and we've had the greatest time. I picked this beautiful thing up on the beach.
How about that?
How's this red color? It's the only time I've seen this. A few seagrass.
Are you sure it's showing because you have red on?
I don't know.
Let me try against me like that.
Beautiful. So yeah, the swallows are back. We've seen them. I saw them yesterday. So they come all the way back from England, we think. Graham says.
Yes, I was reading on the internet one day, and they said that the swallows from Africa go all the way to England. And then, when they're finished with their season in England, they come back home. And Cindy says she knows they come back because why?
They're in Brakpan. They go back to the house.
Yes.
And yeah, they lay their little eggs and get their babies going for the next trip.
And they made a nice little nest at our home.
Yeah.
At the front door.
Yeah. So anyway, like I say, we've had a beautiful time here. It's still cold. We actually, you can see how I'm dressed. We're still quite cold.
I can't keep a woman up.
Because it's sort of the middle of spring and there's still cold air. You know? So we have to watch ourselves.
Detrimental type of period where you think, I can go without a jersey, and man, you get a cold.
So Graham,
hello.
It's time to say goodbye.
Yeah. So guys and dolls, thanks very much for viewing. I think it's time that we say goodbye. And like, share, subscribe, and comment please on the video. We've tried a couple of new little tricks and things to try and liven the thing up. So hopefully it worked. We thank you for in advance, and we say cheers for now. And from Cindy and Graham.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
God bless.
See you next week.